Unsurprisingly, the greatest concerns about the Delta variant are in the UK, where the share market fell more than 2%. Markets used to be worried about too much growth leading to inflation. Now they're worried about the opposite, not enough growth because of lockdowns. And on that subject, there's not much doubt that Australia's September quarter GDP is going to be negative, more than a year after the big contraction in June last year. Now, it's too early to tell how negative it'll be, but this chart of national spending doesn't yet include the Victorian lockdown. Whether it turns into another recession, that is 2 quarters of negative GDP, will depend on the vaccines. The Australian share market fell 0.5%, and there was more action at Oil Search, which lost its CEO yesterday in messy circumstances. Now, while announcing that, Chairman Rick Lee said there'd been no takeover approach. Today we learned that Santos had approached him a month ago with a merger proposal and is still pursuing it. So Oil Search's share price jumped and Santos's went down, possibly on the grounds that there are less messy merger candidates around than that one. As for the market as a whole, it's basically been flat for a month and a half, which is in line with the old story of down the elevator and up the stairs, as you can see from this graph. Whether there's another lift attendant around the corner saying going down will depend on the race between Delta and the vaccines. The oil price had another big fall last night in the wake of the OPEC deal to increase production, and the Australian dollar fell again and is getting close to falling into the 72s. Oh, and the price of bitcoins crashed below $30,000 each today for the first time since early January. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.